Okay, I'm going to show you how to make Béarnaise sauce. It's really easy and you can make it at home, and it's the perfect partner for steak. So first of all, I've got some chopped shallots here. They go into a pan. I've got some white wine vinegar with a bit of water. And then it's a lot of tarragon in this dish. I've got some of the stalks to give it a bit of a flavour, and a few turns of the pepper mill. And what I want to do is reduce that so all the liquid's gone, it's completely dry, and that is your base for your Béarnaise sauce. So there you go. So now all of the water's gone into the shallots, reduced right in there, all the vinegar and the tarragon flavour. And now I'm going to make a hollandaise, because Béarnaise is just a variation of a hollandaise. So I've got a pan with some boiling water here, and I've got a big bowl that sits on top of it, not touching the water. And then I'm going to make a sabayon, which is just cooked eggs, and we're going to cook them and thicken them before we add our butter. Add a tiny bit of white wine vinegar to it and start whisking. We're whisking that now for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's gone very fluffy and ribbon-like, and now I'm going to add my butter. So I've clarified, which basically means I've melted 250 grams of butter. I'm going to add that very slowly, just drop by drop, until it starts to thicken. So now it's starting to thicken. I can add my butter more quickly to get that Béarnaise consistency, which is sort of like a thick double cream. So there we go, it's like a thick double cream, and now I'm going to add my reduction in there, like so, and then just finish it with some fresh tarragon. And that's it. That's how to make a Béarnaise sauce.